Okay, we have done that. But the laser pointer, I want smaller laser pointers. I want the laser pointer to leave a trail. And I want drawing in laser pointer mode. I'm not sure how long I'm going to make it, but we can start anyway. Let's start. Yeah, this is going from easy to hard. None of them are really hard, but allowing for smaller sizes of the laser pointer needs the least amount of thinking. So we don't have a laser pointer file. Yeah, this is this whole source code is a labor of love, hacked together. Okay. Oh, yeah. In the okay. UI animation and here. Here we go. This is how we animate the laser pointer. And probably, yeah, we have some sizes here. So let's have a look. Build. Okay, we don't run automatically. And why do I open the debug with L? I need to fix that as well. Anyway, so this is our laser pointer, and I think that's the smallest one. We can only go larger from here. And while that might work in full screen mode, I find it a bit too large. So where are our sizes? I don't have fixed sizes. Laser pointer zoom. Oh, come on. Okay. Size jiggly table. Okay. But where do we modify the zoom? Uh-huh. Okay, so why not start with 0.5? Okay. So oh, zoom default. Okay, and then next. If it's greater 10. So what is it doing? It's from 1.5. Okay. Let's build. That was quick. SIG builds are quick. Can't believe it. Didn't used to be that way. So now. Really? I want it even smaller, but if I now iterate through the laser pointer sizes, yeah, that's fine. Ah. Mm-hmm. If you move it fast enough, it leaves a trail anyway. Do we even? Yes, we do vsync. Okay, cool. Now, the other thing The other thing I need to fix is the debug window. Where do we even show the... Well, when we press L, so... How can I not ignore case? Anyway, we'll see. Okay. GLFW key L. Okay. Why do we do that twice? Not yet. Okay. Oh, anyway. Okay, and 30, it's 35, 847. Oh, key left also contains L. Okay. Okay, what's the window called again? Is it capital debug or... Yeah. Let's search for that. There is an implicit debug window. Oh. Maybe when we activate the laser pointer, we have a window ID of null. It says here they don't use debug. Oh, it's debug # default. Okay. Within implicit window. Stacked at the beginning of every frame, so you can use widgets. Begin and get called multiple times. The window name is used as a blah blah blah. And before the window is connected, so you can already write in your code. You always need to call in GUI end. Okay. Window just activated by user. Well, it doesn't really show us. Oh yeah, it does show us where the debug window is created. Hang on. I think it showed us debug # debug. Didn't it? Of course, it couldn't show us. Something is wrong here. What function are we in? I bet it's an ImGUI begin or something. Yeah, no, it's new frame. Okay, let's have a look in. I don't need this. I've got when we toggle the laser pointer, maybe where do we show the laser pointer though? Maybe we show it outside of things. Okay, show laser pointer. Yeah, okay. Oh, then we need laser pointer dot anim laser dot anim. Maybe that was it. Anim laser pointer. Yes. We render it outside. It's outside of the ImGUI begin and ImGUI end. So let's build this and test if it worked. When we activate the laser pointer, no debug window. Cool. We can increase its size up to very large. Hang on. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 are not really doing anything. So so we can modify our not the size table. We can modify our stepping, our zoom. How do we do an if thing in C? If then multiplied by 3 else 1.5. Is this valid sig? Cannot store a runtime. Okay. Laser pointer, it's here. This doesn't look right. So we start with 0.1. We don't. Do we want to? Yeah. So let's go like this. laser pointer. That didn't really do anything. Let's see. Let's see what it says. Our zoom is now. Zoom. What's going on? L. Oh, I haven't changed the zoom. Zoom is now 1.5. Oh, wow. It's still 1.5, still 1.5. Oh, because we are multiplying. Okay, I don't really see the size. But it's always 1.5 and never 0. Why is that? Because here we're talking about the size, and there we're talking about the zoom. Okay, let's try that again. Next step is, yeah, yes, oh wow. So hang on, our zoom is now 1.5. Now it's 7.5, okay. That was too much. That was too, oops. So we start with 0.1, we increase it to 0.75. This is so super hacky, so we do it. So we do it only for the first time. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, zoom default. Zoom default times 7.5. Now we have it. It is a hack, but it is going to work. So laser pointer, first zoom large, next zoom 0.5-ish. Okay. And the cool thing is now we can probably make it even smaller. Zoom default 0.05. We probably have to adjust the second one now. So first one wasn't really large. Second one. Hang on. Why is it still so large? How can I make a dot? I think this is because of my size jiggling. I don't want to get into that. So that's the quick hack. You can have a smaller laser pointer. L, where are we? L That's the small laser pointer. Okay. So now, how can we add a trail? A tail. We would need some sort of, what do you call that? Ring buffer. We need a ring buffer. We would usually do ring buffers with a linked list, but I don't like that. Let's try to hack something. Const ring, well, ring buffer. We won't make it generic, so we will just define it. Let's say we want a tail of 15. Can I make this a const and then refer to it in the thing? We will see. Oh, hang on. First it needs to grow, and then it needs to turn into a ring buffer. Oh my god. We can do this silly one. We can do it. Yeah, we can do a very silly one. We copy over and then change the top. That's a bit more easy for the head. So, oh, we need positions. Positions is, can I do that? In like, do we have position somewhere? Anyway, no, it's imgui. Is it undefined? Yes. Maybe an array list would be better. Anyway, var size 0, and there we go. Oh, no, we could use optionals. Yeah. How can I set them all to? We could do an inline for. This is probably the most stupid way to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is wrong? Oh. Oh, really? Jesus, okay. Okay. And then we would say function add position pos in in 2. Uh, 0. This is so hardcore. It's a shame, but we want to keep get going. One. Positions. No, we want it 15. I equals positions. We are 15. Jesus, 14. We want position 14 to be position 13. I minus 1. And then position 0 equals the position. Yeah, so and then we will add this. That's not a laserpointer positions. Positions. And then we animate. Oh, but now when we draw the laser pointer, where do we draw the laser pointer? Here. Okay. Then we just need to go through the positions for self dot positions. Now we will get I don't know. Pause, mouse pause here. Pause. Where is the mouse pause? Here is the mouse pause. Oh no. Okay. No, anyway. We have a position here, so we don't need that anyway. But we can now self.positions. Why did my ZLS die? LSP restart. Oh, add position. Mouse pause. This is going to be funny, but it doesn't compile. Undeclared identifier position. Hang on, where are we? Oh, LP positions. Okay. Use of undeclared mouse pause. Maybe let's add an no member len. Come on, how can there not be a length in an array? I thought that was the point of arrays. Oh no. Hang on. Can I do this at least? In this case, we could actually say self harmony. I don't like it. I don't like arrays, but anyway. Var I view size equals 0 while I less than LP dot. Oh, no, it was right. We called it positions, so we should have said positions dot positions. Okay. There is positions. Hang on. So, okay. Now we should position instruct post buffer. Do we need to make them public? What is going on? Positions. Do I have a typo? Hang on. positions, 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 positions. I don't get it. I must be doing something super silly here. Even the language server tells me there are no positions or nothing else in here. Im GUI-Zettel weg found. Optional. Really? Oh yeah. No. No. Okay, then if pos p this is such a hack. How many? Oh, now you tell me. I must be doing something super silly. And I just don't get it. Why is self? Hang on, how do I do the alpha table? Self, alpha table, self, alpha table. Len, it's all fine. Oh my God. I knew it. I knew it. I was super silly. Can I do it? Nah, it won't let me. No, no, no way. Okay. Okay. Oh, actually, we do have we have a LAN. Okay. Let's try out the new laser pointer and crash. Oh my God. Index out of bounds in buffer at position slides area. I thought I had constructed you. Oh, -1. Makes total sense. Well, it's not really doing. Oh, let's try that again. So I say L. Oh, here it is. Ooh. Okay, cool. So let's scale down the tail and well, we insert at the head, which is all right. Or scale f32 equals 1.0, which is silly. It should be 0.5. Then for the, no, 1.0. If I greater 1, scale equals 0.5. And then size, yeah, okay, laser pointer zoom. Oh, 10 times this. Okay. Size equals scale. Oh, it's const. Okay. Ah. E. Oh, here's my. Now we have a thicker tail. Now what we don't do is interpolate between the two. But I'm happy with that. Is it long enough? I think it is. Cool. Now, how much have we hacked here? It's livable. Let's check it in. What is going on? Okay. Oops. Push. Bam. Now, how long have we been streaming? 2 hours. Okay. Shall we do the drawing? Oh, wrong one. The drawing would be super similar. Instead of drawing circles of just 15 positions, we would use some sort of vector of positions and then draw lines between them. And we would only add a new position if it's different from the last position, so we don't get too many vertices. Now, let's have a look how I have never done this before. I think. Well, no, I had lists where I just append, so I could do that. So, but I heard a lot of good things about array lists. And since we're iterating always in order, okay, you should be able to do that. Okay. Now the thing is, let's think about lifetimes, because ideally a laser pointer drawing should only be valid for the slide it's on. So when you change slide, it should be re-initted. And we do have a slide allocator. Yes, I think we have a slide allocator. Hang on, where are we? I thought we have. No, that's not going to work. Well, we have a slideshow. Oh, we have a slideshow allocator, but not a slide allocator. When we render, we give it a slideshow allocator and not a slide allocator. Okay. In that case, draw vertices, standard array list, in GUI in vec2 dot init. Now we need an init. Damn it. Oh, hang on. We could make it an optional and de-init it if it's there. Yeah, why not? This is probably not the SIG way to do it, but so that's why we don't call it init. We init draw vertices if draw vertices d draw vertices d init. I'm pretty sure that dot no d dot. Okay. D dot. ZLS, what are you doing? All we want to know is if D can. Oh, yeah, okay, that's my fault. Dot. Okay, it can't handle it. Anyway, that's silly. Ha! There we go. D init. Void release all allocated memory. Okay. And now we can say we will just overwrite it. Do we leak memory when we do that? I have no idea. Oh. Hang on. If we don't want to leak, so we will just say okay. So that's our if here is d.init allocator. Else self draw vertices equals rest to init. Okay. Now we need to say what was ref self show the ref show laserpointer. If self show laserpointer and self show laserpointer pref false, then self re-init vertices. Okay, we just changed the interface. Mouse pause. Let's make this build. So, compiler, please tell me where I need to pass the allocator. What? Error is, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and now anim can fail. Okay. Yeah, why not? Why not bomb out of it? But in the function here, in the update function, I think we do not like errors, do we? Yeah, we don't. Hang on, there, no. Expected 1 arguments, found 2. The array list? Oh. Hmm. I thought this would leak. Cannot assign to a constant. Why would that be? I thought that's how it's done. Why would it say draw vertices is a constant? That doesn't make sense. Yeah. What for? I think this should not be allowed, but no, it will tell me it's initialized. Wow. Missing field, draw vertices. Ah, okay. No way. Ugh. Mm. Yeah. So now we got it, now we got it, now we got it. We have an optional, we set it to null here. Probably it would have been easier to do it the right way from the start. And then we could say okay, so we can't do it. We still can't do it. That was stupid. Okay, now we have that. We also need a previous mouse position. Oh no, yeah. Pref pref return equals this. Okay. Now, when we animate the thing, if self show laser pointer, draw vertices, and then we will also need a clear vertices, but let's start like this. So we have the mouse position, don't we? Yes. Self mouse pos pref mouse pos. Don't forget that. If self mouse is not equal, can we do that? We will see. Mouse pos. Then we will add the mouse pos to our drawing list. Self dot draw vertices dot. If we have some. just to be sure. Better be safe than sorry. But we need to modify it. dv dot append mouse pass. And now let's draw them. For dv position if we are the first one, we skip it. Shouldn't we iterate through it? No. Okay. So if we are the first one, we just set the cursor position, and from then on, we just draw lines. Yeah. Hang on. Or if I 0, let's try that. Continue. If we have only one in there, and for all the others, we will draw. How do we draw a line? You can't do it. Okay. The line must be drawn here. No, that's not in this window. In GUI. Oh, cool. Well, there's draw frame. Hang on. We do draw frames in the renderer. What is going on? Why can't I remember anything or find anything? Oh, that's a different renderer. Here we go. Draw BG. Render frame. Okay. And we render. So we can render text, text wrap, text script, text ellipsis, frame, frame border, render color rect. Okay, I guess we have to render. We have to render. Okay, yeah, why not? Why not? I mean, drawing a line is the same as a rectangle. So, draw a line. We have to give it a color. Can I not iterate over an array list? I can. I'm sure I can. No. Why? Okay, anyway. And why do I say position? Oh, because it's a okay. So I don't like that. Can I do I plus equals 1? I don't like array lists. This is super unsafe. No. Oh, yeah, we can defer. So now we will set the draw. Yeah. No, we need a top. Oh, okay. From. Well, we could try. Oh, previous vertex to current vertex. Okay. Yeah. I minus 1. Oh no. Hang on. No. Well, anyway, we can try. This will be funny. So now we're always drawing. Okay, we have no draw mode. Oh, only if we have the mouse down, we should add the position. Mm. Mm-hmm. Only if we have the mouse button down. We will get to that later. What does render frame do? Oh, it's the rounding. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Really? Why can it not scroll? What is going on? Okay, so init destructive stores okay. When I specify each method you can see unmanaged. Constantly pointers to elements in size inverted after resizing unless the operation is okay, let's load. I can't believe it doesn't scroll. Oh no, it can. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can we say, can we convert it to a slice? If not, we will just use a list. So we have, we do use a pointer here. Hang on, what? If it's not null, then we have a pointer. Okay, now var that is in vec2 equals dv. Can we do that? And then no, we can't append to the slice, so undo that. Okay. Have I done this before? Expected, blah blah, found pointer of, blah blah. I thought. Really? Okay. It's a non-area type. Whatever. I'm too stupid. I'm too stupid for array lists. I should study them more. What can we use instead? Hang on. A slide list is an array list. Okay. So anyway, what was my problem? What was my actual problem? I can append. Oh, so I can't iterate over the list. I can't. I doubt it. I doubt it. So, like, because we have an array list here, the slide list. And I'm pretty sure we get the length of it when we, for example, handle keyboard. We say slide index. Yeah, delta index, blah, blah. Current slide plus delta index. Oh, the items. Oh my God. Okay. 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 I always forget that. So this is items. And I think now I can also do I. We don't need that. What expected, blah, blah. No, 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 no. No, don't you tell me you can't. Why can't you count it? You can count it. So now it says it doesn't have I. Hang on, hang on, hang on. But it has a len. Slides is a slide list, which is an array list. It has a len. So what is going on here? Hmm. Oh my God. I don't want to copy the data. Oh. Oh. I am stupid. I am stupid. So, okay, yes. Now, let's try laser pointing our way. Actually, okay. Now, a couple of issues here. We say only if the mouse thing has changed. We should always draw. Yeah. And okay, so show laser pointer press, blah blah blah. In green, blah blah blah. If cell, if mouse pose. Yes. Okay. Now we have to sort the positions out. So we say we have a thickness of 2 pixels. Now we could say draw a rectangle from. Hang on, it only gives me. No, there has to be a way. There has to be a way to draw a line. I don't want to implement my own line drawing. Oops. Oh, maybe I can use a GL function for that. Anyway, im GUI draw line. You're kidding. Where's the draw list? Here. Yeah, come on. So. I'm so stupid. So, im GUI dot now, well, we also need the I+1 business. If I++ equals 1. No, we don't. Okay. Draw list point 1 is our vertex. Point 2 is vertices I minus 1. Color is our color U32. Thickness is our thickness. And don't you void me. Index of single item pointer. No, you. Items, okay. I need to get the hang of the items business. Items. Oh, that's the void again. Yes. And if we, yeah. Yes. Okay, now we need to check for Now we need to check for a mouse down. Is there an easy way to do that? Or do we have to pass it in? Mouse down. Get okay. Get mouse pause. Is mouse clicked? Is mouse down? Ha 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 ha. Well, let's say it's mouse button 0. Draw vertices, but only and in GUI begin is mouse button down 0. Did we spell it correctly? No. Oh, yeah, okay. That's Now let's laser point it. That's not exactly what we expected. Let's click a button. Of course, it's down. I'm sure there must be an enum in GUI for that. Why? So. Well, mouse button, okay. Why is pop-up flags? Okay, I see. Okay, I can see that. Tab bar. Tab items. And here we have just a normal button flag. So no, it's for the button. So if it's clicked with the left button, okay. but they seem to be okay. In GUI mouse button. Left is 0. Okay. Im GUI mouse button underscore left. Im GUI mouse button underscore left. And I thought it returns a Boolean. Yeah, I know. Okay. Might be my concentration is probably fading. So when we laser point, how come we always draw without? Oh. Okay. Silly me. Laser pointer, and then when we click, we can draw. We can draw. Oh, okay. It always continues. Yeah. So maybe we will fix that by either using a sentinel. Yeah, we will use a sentinel value for continuation. Okay. Do we also have a is mouse up? Probably not. Oh, is mouse released. Cool. Ha. Oh, this won't work because then our previous one will be the 0. Oh no. So 2 times in a row. No, hang on. We release. And once we have released, we need to make the new one. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, what happened to the music, by the way? Okay. It's a bit louder than me. Well, let's leave it like that. So, so we are item number 1. Then we can easily say oh no, we just start drawing. No, yeah. So we only draw the line. Yeah. And we introduced an error. Let's try again. Laser pointy, draw a line, release, draw. Fuck. Why? Let's debug this. So if it's released, standard log debug mouse released. First of all, does it even work to detect the release of the mouse button? I'm losing my voice. Laser pointy, click, release. No, it did not. Okay, in that case, we need to check why is it not working? So okay, let's const mouse left down equals now mouse left down, no, select mouse. Okay, let's debug this. Mouse down, release. It says mouse released. Okay, that's good. But our continue is not. Okay, I can see now. I think this is not entirely correct, but for the most part it will do what we want. I'm pretty sure. So, yes. Oh, we don't scale. Yeah, Here is the problem, but that doesn't really bother me. So I can draw. Now, when do we clear? On slide transitions. Okay. On slide transitions and on command. But before that, we have to make it a bit thicker. Oh, was there a stutter? Let's try that again. No. Yeah, I like size 5. Let's leave it constant. New slide index, jump to slide. We need the allocator. Okay, that works. And we could use the D and the keyboard. Ha! Laser. And now, if d dot items then greater than 0. Oh yeah. Allocator. laser pointy, draw, and delete, and delete again. Super. Oh. Cool. Wow. Final check. Noise. Let's check it in. Oh, hang on. Have I quit? Yes. Backlog. Oh, shit. Okay, anyway. Yeah, great. That's all I wanted to do for today. Maybe I'll fix the README. Oh. My brain is not in English mode. Virtual laser pointer in different sizes that you can draw with. So, open the slideshow. Oh, yeah. Laser pointer, cycle through laser pointer. Okay. Oh, nowhere is it mentioned. Okay. Hmm. Kibede. Shift. No, where is it? Here. Um, seven or eight. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, that's enough writing for today. Oh. Your mom. Okay, I think we've made quite some progress. Maybe an illustration would be nice, an illustration for the laser pointer, but I'm not in the mood for doing that now. I have to take a break. How long have I been streaming? Probably very long. Well, 3.5 hours. Apparently, I have viewers. So, does anyone have any questions or comments before I say goodbye? So I could answer them. Apparently, Borg does not seem to work anymore because Triangle 10 wrote it's back in chat and Borg doesn't show it. Let's see. Okay. I think nobody has any questions. If you like to check out the source code yourself, at the moment it's basically, I think, Linux only. I have to work on getting the Windows builds work again and also the macOS builds. But if you like, I can put my repo in here. That's where you can find the source code. If you like it, play around with it. For me, this project it actually has some use. I actually do edit slideshows in this. Well, actually, NeoVim. Yeah, for reasons I will go into probably another time. I work at a research institute and they like text-heavy presentations. And so pasting some markdowns into a slideshow, some markdown into a slideshow is super easy with this program. And creating slides is just super easy. In addition, it can render slides extremely fast, especially compared to PowerPoint, and PowerPoint is just a pain in the ass. Especially, I mean, even more so when you are on Linux, then you can only use the browser variant, and that is not 100% compatible with the Windows variant. And so, what I do now is I just author my presentations in this one, then export to PowerPoint, which is done by basically screenshotting, but it's not really screenshotting. It's converting the OpenGL, everything that's rendered with OpenGL, to PNG files, and then creating a PPTX, so a PowerPoint presentation with just static snapshot images of the slides, and that works super well. Yeah. Yeah, and since I only use it on Linux, that's my main priority at the moment. And in addition to actually using it for presentations, it's also my Seek learning toy. And I noticed that I mean, I hadn't worked on this for, I don't know, a year or so. And the first time I created it, I struggled a bit. I mean, especially with things like capturing with captures in a for loop that are constant, and not knowing that you could just use a pointer to make it non-const, and all sorts of ImGUI interop problems, because ImGUI wants C strings and C pointers, and I didn't know a lot then, but I succeeded in well, being able to create and present slideshows. And now I don't know what it is. Maybe after my SIG stuff had some time to sink in. So like the second time around, it's always easier. Or in addition to that, the signal to noise ratio when looking at SIG code is much better now because I have more experience. So yeah, I'm not getting confused by SIG syntax or something anymore, or yeah, not that much anymore. I must say I really, really, really enjoy SIG, and if you've watched the beginning of the stream, uh, unfortunately, the first hour or so was silent because yeah, I was muted. But I mean, how easy it is to compile a C library of the caliber of libpng with a supporting library, zlib, that is required by libpng. How easy it is to do that. I mean, to compile it with SIG and statically link it against your executable so that you don't depend on any shared library with caveats. So we still depend on libc and libx11. Do we? I don't know. Yeah, we do, of course. I mean, but still, it is impressively easy. It is as easy as finding the C files that are required to compile, which you can always find in some sort of makefile or pre-makefile, like a makefile.am or makefile.in. Yeah, listing the sources, adding the include directories, and boom, done. You can use it from SIG. That's really, I'm fascinated by that. I'm also impressed by that. So if you look at this, we include png.h, and then we with the prefix cpng. Yeah, and we also use standard io.h in the same namespace. libpng needs a file pointer. But anyway, so we cpng create write struct, we use cpng constants, we do all the stuff that you would normally do with cpng, with libpng. Boom, in SIG. Super simple. And the way we do that is adding include dir, adding the library. And how do we add the library? We add it like this. Add static library png to give it a name, link libc, some compiler flags. Add include dirs for libpng and zlib. Okay, in our particular case, there was some png libconf.h that we had to create from a sample. We add the C files and return the library. It's amazing. It's just amazing. I think it's easier, as I have said, it's easier to do that. I mean, to use libpng from SIG than from C. Because with C, you are forced to use CMake or configure and auto tools and stuff like that. And with SIG, you don't really need to. I mean, you could do the same in C to just build your own makefile and say just translate, or even a shell script to just compile these few C files. But nobody would do that because they would try to make the whatever build system the C code comes with work, just to be sure, it's being built as it was intended. And yeah, SIG opens up new possibilities there. So I'm rambling around. Let's see how many viewers I've lost. Yeah, most of them, like half of them. So let's end this. I'm losing my voice anyway. So it has been fun, at least for me. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you and goodbye. Did I miss any questions?